our distinguished guest, Honorable Senator Christopher Lawrence Bongo, sir. Our cherished Congresswoman of the Lone District of Nueva Vizcaya, Honorable Luisa Lloren Banti Quaresma, Madam. DILG Regional Director, Agnes De Leon, and the Provincial Director, members of the Sangguniang Panlalawigan who are with us today, the local chief executive and vice executive of the different municipalities of this province, our very own able municipal mayor, Elizabeth de Balacia, MD, MPH, members of the Sangguniang Bayan headed by Vice Mayor Peter Bayan, the men in uniform, my colleagues in the government service, our visitors, barangay officials, parents, friends, ladies and gentlemen, maganda at mapayapang araw po sa ating lahat. Please allow me to read this resolution. Republic of the Philippines, Province of Nueva Vizcaya, Municipality of Cayapa, Office of the Sangguniang Bayan. Resolution number 2024-170. Resolution adopting Senator Christopher Lawrence Bongo as son of the Municipality of Cayapa, Nueva Vizcaya, and be baptized as Lakbongan in honor of the great Kalanguya leader who reached the highest prestige of being Kadangyan and become a vice mayor and political leader of this municipality, a respected leader with valor, dignity, and generosity. Whereas Senator Christopher Lawrence Bongo, incumbent senator, Senate of the Philippines, is instrumental in assessing funds from the national government for the construction of the new municipal building requested through Sangguniang Bayan Resolution number 2022-19 under the administration of Municipal Mayor Elizabeth de Balacia, MD, MPH. Whereas it is a great honor for the indigenous cultural communities and indigenous peoples, particularly the Kalanguya, Iwak, and Ibaloy, living in the mountainous municipality of Cayapa, this province, to have an adopted son who considered himself a native of Cayapa and who saw greater potentials in the mountainous town, the vision for development and progress of the people and the municipality as a whole. Whereas Senator Bongo, because of his strong affection, manifested through his unconditional support for the development and realization of different projects and by providing funds for health services through his Malasakit program, endeared himself to the people of Cayapa. And for sacrificing his precious time to be with us during the celebration of our 121st founding anniversary and Awagshi Cayapa 2024 Town Fiesta, we are forever grateful. Now therefore, be it resolved by the Sangguniang Bayan of the Municipality of Cayapa, Province of Nueva Vizcaya, to adopt, as it is hereby adopt, Senator Christopher Lawrence Bongo as son of the Municipality of Cayapa, Nueva Vizcaya, and be baptized as Lakbongan in honor of the great Kalanguya leader who reached the highest prestige of being Kadangyan and become a vice mayor and afterwards a political advisor of this municipality, a respected leader with valor, dignity, and generosity. Resolved finally that copy of this resolution be furnished to Senator Bongo for his information. Adopted unanimously this 20th day of May 2024 on motion duly seconded. Signed by the members of the Sangguniang Bayan, Adriano Dodon, Oscar Campoy, Stephen Bangkak, Romeo Camlas Jr., Valdez Tuntogan, Tony Pagnas, Pasito Kadame, Tony Wakit Sr., Enrique Quilan Jr., Liga ng mga Barangay President, Pedro Galate, IPMR, and Jetron B. Ayali, PPSK Vice President. Certified correct, signed, Peter Bayan, Vice Mayor and Presiding Officer, attested by yours truly, Rosemary Pagkandungan, as Secretary to the Sanggunian, and approved, signed, Elizabeth de Balacia, MD, MPH, Municipal Mayor. May I then request our Honorable Mayor and the Sangguniang Bayan members to please present and hand this resolution.
Now, thank you, ma'am. Let us have our Municipal Mayor Elizabeth de Balacia for the declaration of Senator Christopher Lawrence Bongo as adopted son of the municipality.
By virtue of the power vested in me as the Municipal Mayor of the Municipality of Cayapa, I hereby declare and pronounce Senator Christopher Lawrence Bongo as an adopted son of the Municipality of Cayapa with the name Lakbungan. Congratulations, sir.
Now let us proceed to the donning of the chaleco to be assisted by the Municipal Mayor and Vice Mayor. Followed by the handing of gayam by Honorable Peter L. Bayan, Municipal Vice Mayor, and the handing of bolo by Honorable Pedro D. Galati, Municipal Indigenous Peoples Mandatory Representative, and the handing of akbo by Honorable Tony B. Pagnas, Municipal Council. Ayan na po, palakpak po tayo. Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta sa aming bayan.